Okay, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to replace this liftgate module for 2005 all the way to 2012 Cadillac SRX. Yes, this Cadillac has been like a huge issue with this module. Reason why, there's water that comes down from the sunroof, drains down to some piping here and into your cabin where the spare tire should be located at. As many of y'all know now, these cars don't come with a spare tire. Cadillac decided not to put a spare tire for the reason of not adding the extra 50-pound weight. So they decided to leave this empty and install the module in here. I can see, I know it's a little dark in here. The module sits kind of flat like this. So what I did the first time, because it's actually my second time, I moved it up just a few inches higher, and I drilled some small holes at the bottom of the pan here so water won't accumulate. That seems to be working. But again, this module stopped working after like 2 years. So I went out and purchased a new one. So it's a pretty easy to change out. It's just all plug and play. Unhook the replacement and hook them up to these ones. Real easy, nice and simple. And then just attach it either at the same location with this clip on, or do what I do, do what I did. Just lift it up on the back just as much as those wires will allow you to. That way it'll be up the bottom of the pan in case water starts to accumulate. Yes, so it's pretty simple. Well, let's get started. I might not show you how, because like I said, it's real simple. Just get into it. It's very simple. Just lift up everything you got back here until you come down to this, and it just pops in there. Like I said, it just pops in there, kind of snaps. Hook up your 3 cables that you can see. They all different, so there's no way of messing it up. So good luck. Again, this is for 2011 Cadillac SRX, the tailgate lift module. The Cadillac has this huge issue with this because of the water that gets in there and kind of just keeps burning up this module. All right, well, thank you for watching. Hit like if this video was of any help. Peace.